Okay, so now we've seen two clips of a Zoom Nearpod combo, and you've thought about what you liked about Nearpod and what you're wondering. Now I'm just going to follow up a little bit with an insight into the teacher-facing Nearpod and what it looks like for me to put that presentation together.
So I just want to share a little bit about how I use Nearpod and how I constructed that Nearpod for my class. What I did was I uploaded a PowerPoint presentation, which you can see here. You can do that by going here in Nearpod where it says upload files, and then here, and that takes you to your file explorer, or you can go to Google Drive if you're more of a Google Drive person, and upload materials. And so that gets you your slideshow, but then we have to intermix the slideshow with activities. So for example, let's look here. Usually I would have a do now that's a worksheet that looks like this with some matching and some multiple choice questions. But we don't have worksheets anymore. So instead of using that matching, I'm instead going to insert some activities. So for example, I have the matching pairs here. So this is my do now activity, and I'm going to drag it. And there's my matching. And then here's my multiple choice question. It's a poll. And so I'm going to insert that after my matching. And then I have a collaborate board for what do you remember about World War II. And I can just copy and paste it as well. Okay, and then I can delete this slide, which was reminding me of what I wanted to do. Okay, and then later on, I have this slide where it says insert video lecture, right? So where I do that, I'm going to go to add slide, add content, and I'm going to add a video. And I'm going to upload my video, which I had pre-recorded, just like I'm pre-recording this video right now. Now it says it's too large. The maximum file size is 20 MB. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to upload that video here. I suppose I could also go to Google Drive if you don't want to use YouTube, but I like attention, and so I put my stuff out. Okay, so now my YouTube video is ready on the internet, and so I'm going to copy the link, and instead of uploading it as a video, I'm going to add content, and then I can scroll down to add web content. I can enter this URL, and now my video is embedded within the Nearpod. And now what I can do is I can delete all these slides that were featured in the video lecture. Now here at the end of the video lecture, the slide says insert collaborate board. And so I am going to add a slide, add an activity, and collaborate is the activity. Now I like this black and white aesthetic, but I'm going to go with this one instead. So let's call it first impressions. And then I recorded the prompt in my PowerPoint. And here it is. And just for fun, let's add a picture about the atomic bomb. And here it is. The picture goes in there. Okay, so those are some different ways that I adapt my PowerPoint to now become an interactive Nearpod.